Hi everyone, welcome back to GreyBeard Journeying. It's Saturday the 17th of February 2024. Back at Anfield Road for another expansion progress update. Bit wet today, very wet indeed. Don't think we're going to be flying no drone today, but we still have a quick walk around, have a chat as we go. This is out of the window. Underneath it looks complete, all the brick cladding. Really neat. That's how you want the other one to finish off. Just a couple of little gaps to do on the other one now. All this border all planted up by Right Landscapes. It's looking good, that. Without further ado, if you like what you see, click like, share, subscribe. I think we're going to start by the main stand. Let's not get the drone off. See you in a bit. I just started off by the main stand. A lot of the machinery is all parked up, so it is a very small team on site today with it being a weekend. Came down just after Liverpool thrashed Brentford 4-1 away. So I was going to get the drone up, but it's just too wet really. We're going to see if they finish off that little bit of a road. Well, not the road, the pavement section right up near the end. That looks a bit like temporary tarmac to me. It's still the same, isn't it? It hasn't been touched, so one little job to finish off there. So I think we're going to carry on going around and see what else we can see, what needs to be done. Yeah, we've just stopped off by the area where they're storing all the tier sections. Just wanted to show you these little sections here. This is the little bits of cladding that go over the very edge, right at the top of the stand. Just make it out right at the top. That's what they use just to finish off the edging. Yeah, just join me on this shoulder section. With the cladding nearly done on the other side now, just that little part. I'm going to show you what needs to be done this side. Slight little section right up by the wall there, going right up the shoulder, that needs to be sorted, and obviously the big section and some right in the top corner right near the main stand also. So that's the cladding to be done on this side. Just so I'd stop off and show you what needs to be done cladding wise here. Yeah, we've just stopped off by the entrance. I don't know if you can just make out by the door to welcome to Anfield. It's like a tall scaffolding tower, I believe, so obviously there's still odd jobs to be done inside. And as you can see on the first floor, all the seating is still covered by the plastic sheets. As we go to the right, we are still waiting the sandstone uprights to go to the end of the wall there, so that's where the heavy lifter might be needed again. So still little jobs to be done here or there. And here's the border that's been planted recently also, in the last couple of days. All little jobs to be finished off around Anfield Road. Just stopping off on the shoulder now, you can see quite a few pallets of brick paving there. So the road section is still going to be ongoing. Just resting on that pallet until there's one of the sandstone uprights that needs to be put into place. I think there's going to be 4 in all that still need to be done. So yeah, this is probably going to be the best angle we can get of that road. I might have a look by the Shankly Gate to see how much more needs to be done. So I think we'll go around there now. I think all the coping stones are now in place, so all the coping stones are done, I believe. Just those big sandstone uprights. We just stopped off by the heavy lifter, just having a quick look at that little wall section over there. my eagle eyes has spotted that all the coping stones are not done. So there's another couple of lifts at least, I believe, over there. Can't really zoom in anymore with this camera. As expected, there's no more cladding done now because they're doing the block paving underneath. So that was predictable, to be honest. They'd just be getting in each other's ways. So we'll go around to the Shankly gates. Here we are by the Shankly gates for the final part of this video. Pluto pick is down. As you can see by the road, if I can just zoom in a little bit more. Camera. They haven't really come down too much more. They've lifted a lot more of the tarmac off the road. You can see about a pile. Yeah, it's a very, very quiet site today. If there is any work going on, it's got to be inside. So, but yeah, on yesterday's video I did point out about one of the workers not having his hard hat on. I am the last person to want any worker sacked. Hopefully nobody has been sacked. I would be absolutely devastated and distraught if that happened. You know, when Buckingham went under, I was calling out on my channel for as many of those workers to be taken on to help finish off this project, this Anfield Road expansion. Every time I do my videos, when I'm filming from above, I'm always checking to see if I've got the harnesses on, because you know I want all the workers to be safe. You know, so I'm not the only one who does that. KC does. We all do. So yeah, that was the last thing in my intention. I don't want anybody sacked. They're all doing a fabulous job. I get on well with all the workers. A lot of them stop off and talk to me. There was only one that pissed me off, and I'm not going to go into that right now. I'm not going to name, shame, anything. Perhaps I had a bad day or something, but it's just a Saturday a couple of weeks ago. One of them really did piss me off with a snide comment. You know, I thought it sounded out of order, but I never rose to it, and I just forgot about it. You know, I'm here to get on well with them, and hopefully they're there to get on with me. I'm not here to get in their way or get anybody sacked. At the end of the day, I'm bringing the fans what they want to see. This magnificent stand getting completed by all the workers who've done their part. So that's where I'm going to end the video. When I do future videos, I am going to start thinking about editing things out more, because like I said, I don't want anyone getting in trouble. I'm not here for that. I'm here to provide a service for my viewers. So yeah, we'll leave that one there. If you like what you saw, click like, share, subscribe. I'll be back Wednesday and Friday. There's another YouTuber, if you can go over and give her some support. Her channel name is Beauty From Above. She's a female drone pilot. You don't see too many of them on YouTube. So if you head over to her channel, subscribe, try and push her up to 200 or 300 subs if you can. Beauty From Above, she's a fantastic new YouTuber. A lot of football related content on her channel, flying over different stadiums. She's done Anfield, Goodison Park, Old Trafford. Go and give her some support, it would really mean a lot. Anyway, we're going to end this video now. Sorry there's been no drone footage, just too wet, windy. So yeah, please give us a like and subscription, it would mean a lot. Wherever you are in the world, enjoy the rest of your day or night. Bye for now.